drain that you drop that hose down.
Drain it there.
Yeah. That's the only thing.
Did you hand turn the wringer? Yeah.
Oh, that's like power too. Once it goes up in there, the gear, they can flip the deal and run.
Oh, it goes either direction.
Yeah.
Oh.
I didn't want to get your fingers on there though.
No, you know, I haven't yet. See yet.
So that changes the direction.
Yep.
That's cool. End of the world, you can still wash your clothes.
Exactly. I'm doing the dirtiest shop rack I had this morning.
It's even got a cover on it.
That's cool.
What's this lever do?
That's the off and on, the agitator.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Ah, okay.
Here, pull the agitator out, drop that in, it's a butter churn.
Oh, okay. I thought they'd make ice cream.
So you can also make a butter with it.
Yeah.
That is so cool. I've never seen one before.
They have a meat grinder attachment too that's on here.
Oh, okay.